Let's break down all the sections of MFP12, what they are, and why you need them together. Starting off with MFP0, the entrepreneurship mindset and product ideation. This section shows you the foundational thinking needed for your entrepreneurship journey, as well as 2 methods that will help you find your next product idea and build your business. It's important because this will help you cultivate that resilient, innovative entrepreneurship mindset to fuel your e-commerce journey and break down any fears you may have along the way. The next section is MFP1, Market Research and SWOT Analysis. This section helps you analyze the current market, look at trends, consumers, competitors, and different behaviors that will help you organize and build out your business. This is important because we need to understand the market landscape, the competition, and your consumers to properly strategize along the way. The next section is MFP2, the Ideal Customer Analysis. This section helps give you a detailed examination of the characteristics, needs, and behaviors of your target audience. This helps you tailor your offerings, properly strategize, and market your products to the people that are most likely to actually purchase from you. The next section is MFP3, Supplier Analysis. This section helps you evaluate suppliers based on factors like cost, reliability, and reputation, so you can choose the best supplier for your business and build the best relationships from the beginning. After MFP3, we have MFP4, Logistics and Supply Chain Analysis. This is a study of the steps involved in getting your product from your supplier to your customers efficiently. This helps us optimize the operations, reduce risks, reduce costs, and mitigate any kind of potential disruptions that may happen along your supply chain. MFP5 is the Sales Channel Strategy. This section outlines where you're going to sell your products and how you're going to measure your success along the way. It's important because we need to figure out how to maximize our sale opportunities and how to properly reach customers the most where they are the most active online. After developing your sales channels, we have MFP6, Pricing, Revenue, and Cost Analysis. This section helps you evaluate your price points and properly price your products to break down all associated costs along the way. It's important to ensure profitability, remain competitive in the market, and understand the price points of your products to know when you can, for example, run a new sale or bundle products together for different promotions. MFP7 is the Catalog and Brand Development section. This section helps you develop a recognizable brand and build a trustworthy business identity and catalog. MFP7 helps you represent your company properly and offer a strong market presence to stay in the customer's mind and think of you whenever they need your product. MFP8 is a traditional and novel marketing techniques section. This is personally my favorite section and how I managed to keep my marketing budget under 3% throughout all of my business operations. This section will show you some of the more traditional, time-tested marketing techniques, as well as my own innovative new approach that I use for my business throughout all of my operations. MFP8 will help you reach a broader audience, grow your sales, get mass exposure, and keep it all under a small, relatively low marketing budget. MFP9 is the Customer Service Management section that shows you strategies and tools to handle customer interactions, feedback, complaints, and any kind of overall communication with the people buying your products. This section will help you build brand loyalty, address any kind of issues promptly, and increase overall customer satisfaction. Now we go to MFP10, AI tools and the SEO strategies you can use. MFP10 helps you utilize artificial intelligence to make your processes more efficient on your website and help better rank for search engines organically and looking at SEO strategies for search engine optimization. MFP10 helps you automate your tasks, gain insights on the people getting into your website, and grow your online visibility organically with more traffic. MFP11 is Auditing Expenses and Essential Analytics. This section gives you a review of your business expenditures and performance metrics to understand your business health and key financials. MFP11 is important in ensuring fair invoicing and to track your company financials and financial business goals. The final section of the program is MFP12, financing, and exiting. This section will show you the essential analytics you need to put together to either raise capital for your business or even have a potential exit to sell it off to an investor. This section will help you build a clear roadmap for the future, help you get that capital, and help you see what you really want to do at the end of the day in your e-commerce business, whether selling or scaling the business. So congratulations, everyone. We went through MFP12 together in terms of the sections. I hope you're as excited as I am to actually go through the program and build your successful e-commerce business together.